Hello. Gas, power and oil prices have all eased this week, primarily as the system and stocks are oversupplied. Let's see what's been happening in some more detail. Oil prices closed higher on Monday, with front-month Brent gaining $0.54 per barrel day on day. Prices softened on Tuesday and some of Monday's gains were reversed. An API report showed an increase in stocks, which pressured prices lower. Wednesday's session was bearish and Brent lost just over $1.50 per barrel day on day. The release of the weekly EIA report also showed a build in US gasoline stocks, and this news pressured prices lower. Prices softened despite the report also showing US commercial crude inventories decreasing by 1.7 million barrels. Prices continued to fall on Thursday, and last night, front-month Brent closed at $46.95 per barrel, down $1.29 per barrel compared to last Friday. Lower demand, increased flows from Norway and lower exports to the continent left the system oversupplied on Monday. As a result, prompt prices eased. Longer-dated contracts took their direction from the prompt and ignored the bullish drivers, including rising oil and a weak pound against the euro. All contracts lost value once again on Tuesday, with annual maintenance due to start on the interconnector on the 14th of June. During this time, there can be no exports to the continent, which could potentially see the NBP heavily oversupplied. The bearish prompt directed curve contracts lower, whilst a slight recovery in the pound also directed prices lower. Prices tumbled on Wednesday as the interconnector pipeline went offline. Day ahead lost 3.63 pence per therm day on day. The pipeline is due to be offline for around 2 weeks. Thursday's session was another bearish one, again directed by the prompt, as market participants expect the system to be heavily oversupplied, not only due to the closure of the interconnector, but also because injections and withdrawals are unavailable from rough storage. Last night, all contracts closed lower than last Friday. Summer 18 lost 0.9 pence per therm. Prompt prices rose on Monday as wind generation was forecast to fall to 1.5 gigawatts from Monday's highs of 4.7 gigawatts. Near-term and longer-dated contracts ignored the movements on the prompt and tracked the NBP lower. All contracts closed lower on Tuesday, taking their direction once again from gas. Wednesday's session was mixed, with some contracts taking their downward direction from gas, whilst others took upward pressure from higher coal prices. The bears regained control on Thursday and all contracts eased. Higher wind generation and falling gas prices weighed down on power prices. Last night, all curve contracts closed lower than last Friday. Summer 18 lost £0.4 per megawatt hour. You can download this report from our website. Thank you for watching, and we will see you next week.